Check out this car. Every once in a while you get a car in that you say, wow, I can't believe the quality of the restoration. This is it. I have receipts, I have paperwork. The guy I just purchased this car from spent somewhere near $100,000 restoring this absolutely gorgeous 1963 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Did he spend too much? He definitely did. Does it show? It definitely does. The car is amazing. The lines are great. Every piece of chrome is done and done right. The car runs unbelievable. The original motor was rebuilt. Vintage air was added. The interior is completely redone. It's just an amazing car. Condition-wise, probably one of the nicest Cadillacs I've ever owned, and I've owned a lot of Cadillacs. You can see the seats, custom embroidered with the logo. Just a beautiful car. Bluetooth stereo system. All lights were changed to LEDs, so at night you could see. An amazing car. Just had her on the road. She just came in. I just drove it. It is just amazing. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. This is an amazing car, amazing restoration. This is the one you want. I don't care when it sells, because I don't mind playing with this one for a while. What a gorgeous 63 Cadillac Coupe DeVille.